Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a surprising concept that might just change the way you think about food and weight management. What if I told you that you could eat more and still weigh less? It sounds counterintuitive, but it's true. By understanding the right foods and strategies, you can enjoy larger portions while effectively managing your weight. In this video, we'll explore how making smarter food choices can help you feel fuller and more satisfied, all while shedding those extra pounds. Let's unlock the secret together. So what exactly is volume eating? Imagine this. You have two plates in front of you. One is filled to the brim with a variety of foods, while the other has just a small portion. One is piled high with a mountain of fresh vegetables, juicy fruits, and a lean protein source like chicken or fish. These foods are vibrant, colorful, and look incredibly appetizing. The other plate has a smaller portion of processed foods, maybe some fried items, and a sugary drink on the side. These foods might be tasty, but are often high in calories and low in nutrients. Which plate do you think would be more filling and satisfying? You guessed it, the plate with more volume. The larger plate, filled with nutrient-dense foods, will keep you fuller for longer. Volume eating is all about choosing foods that are low in calories but high in volume. This means you can eat more food and still consume fewer calories. These foods, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, are packed with fiber and water, which add bulk to your meals without adding a ton of calories. The fiber helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full. Think about it this way: you could eat a whole bowl of salad greens for the same number of calories as a handful of potato chips. The salad will take longer to eat and will be more satisfying. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up all your favorite treats. The key is moderation. Enjoying a small treat occasionally is perfectly fine and can be part of a balanced diet. By incorporating more low-calorie, high-volume foods into your diet, you can still enjoy those treats without derailing your weight management goals. It's all about balance and making smarter choices. Start by adding more vegetables to your meals. Vegetables are versatile and can be added to almost any dish, enhancing both the volume and nutritional value. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful veggies like broccoli, spinach, carrots, or bell peppers. These vegetables are not only low in calories, but also rich in essential vitamins and minerals. By making these simple swaps and embracing the concept of volume eating, you can enjoy delicious, satisfying meals while effectively managing your weight. It's a sustainable way to eat that promotes overall health and well-being. All right, let's talk about the rock stars of volume eating fruits and vegetables. These nutritional powerhouses are not only low in calories, but also bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to weight management. It acts like a sponge in your digestive system, absorbing water and adding bulk to your meals. Think of fruits and vegetables as nature's candy. They're naturally sweet and satisfying, making them the perfect alternative to processed snacks and sugary treats. So, how can you sneak more of these nutritional powerhouses into your diet? Get creative. Start your day with a colorful fruit salad or a veggie-packed omelette. Snack on fruits and vegetables throughout the day. By making fruits and vegetables the stars of your meals and snacks, you'll not only be fueling your body with essential nutrients, but also supporting your weight management goals. Let's talk about grains, the foundation of many diets around the world. But not all grains are created equal. When it comes to weight management, choosing whole grains over refined grains can make a world of difference. Imagine a whole grain as a tiny powerhouse of nutrition. It contains all three parts of the grain kernel: the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. Each part offers unique health benefits, especially when it comes to weight management. The bran, the outer layer of the grain, is packed with fiber, which, as we discussed earlier, is crucial for feeling full and satisfied. The germ, the nutrient-rich core of the grain, is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Refined grains are often found in white bread, white rice, pastries, and many processed foods. So how can you make the switch to whole grains? Look for bread, pasta, and rice labeled as 100% whole grain or whole wheat. By making the simple switch to whole grains, you'll be adding more fiber, vitamins, and minerals to your diet, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and supporting your weight management goals. Chapter 4. Stay hydrated and recognize thirst cues. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for overall health and can significantly impact your weight loss journey. Think of water as your body's internal cleanser and transporter. It flushes out toxins, helps transport nutrients to your cells, and keeps your metabolism running smoothly. Often, our bodies mistake thirst for hunger. By staying hydrated throughout the day, you can prevent those false hunger signals and make healthier food choices. Aim to drink water consistently, even when you don't feel thirsty. By making hydration a priority in your daily routine, you'll be supporting your body's natural functions, preventing false hunger signals, and setting yourself up for success on your weight management journey. Chapter 5. Practice mindful eating habits. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to find ourselves mindlessly scarfing down meals while scrolling through our phones or rushing from one task to the next. We often eat on autopilot, barely tasting our food and missing out on the joy of eating. But what if I told you that slowing down and paying attention to your food could be a game changer for weight management? Not only can it help you maintain a healthy weight, but it can also enhance your overall eating experience. That's where mindful eating comes in. It's a practice that encourages you to be fully present during your meals, allowing you to truly enjoy and appreciate your food. It's about ditching the distractions and truly savoring each bite, paying attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. This heightened awareness can transform your relationship with food. When you eat mindfully, you're more likely to recognize when you're actually hungry and when you're satisfied, preventing overeating and those uncomfortable feelings of being overly full. This can lead to a more balanced and healthy approach to eating. Eliminate distractions. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and step away from your computer. Creating a calm and focused environment can make a big difference. Sit down and savor each bite. Instead of shoveling food into your mouth, take smaller bites, chew slowly, and pay attention to the flavors and textures. This not only enhances your enjoyment, but also aids digestion. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. This awareness helps you eat in response to your body's needs rather than external cues or emotional triggers. Be present. Avoid thinking about work, chores, or other stresses while you're eating. Being fully present allows you to enjoy your meal and can reduce stress. Mindful eating is a journey, not a destination. It's about making gradual changes and being patient with yourself as you develop new habits. It takes practice and patience to develop these habits, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Over time, you'll find that mindful eating can lead to a healthier, more satisfying relationship with food. Chapter 6. Plan and prepare meals ahead of time. Let's face it, life can get hectic. With the constant hustle and bustle, it often feels like there aren't enough hours in the day to get everything done. Between work, family, and social commitments, finding time to cook healthy meals can feel like an impossible feat. The stress of daily life can make it tempting to reach for quick, unhealthy options. That's where meal planning and prepping come to the rescue. By organizing your meals ahead of time, you can ensure that you always have nutritious options ready to go. Think of meal prepping as your secret weapon for weight management success. It allows you to control your portions and ingredients, making it easier to stick to your dietary goals. By dedicating a few hours each week to planning and preparing your meals, you'll be setting yourself up for a week of healthy eating, even on the busiest of days. This small investment of time can lead to significant health benefits. When you plan your meals in advance, you're less likely to make impulsive, unhealthy choices when hunger strikes. Instead, you'll have a variety of delicious, healthy meals at your fingertips. Start by choosing a day of the week that works best for you to dedicate to meal prepping. This could be a weekend day or any day when you have a few hours to spare. Next, create a meal plan for the week. Outline what you'll be eating for each meal and snack, taking into account your nutritional needs and preferences. Browse through cookbooks, websites, or your favorite recipe apps for inspiration. Look for recipes that are not only healthy, but also enjoyable and easy to prepare. Choose recipes that are healthy, delicious, and easy to prepare in advance. This will make the meal prep process smoother and more enjoyable. Once you have your meal plan, create a grocery list with all the ingredients you'll need. This will help you stay organized and ensure you have everything on hand when it's time to cook. By incorporating meal planning and prepping into your routine, you'll be taking the stress out of healthy eating and setting yourself up for weight management success. This proactive approach can transform your eating habits and overall well-being. Outro: your journey to healthier eating starts today. In this video, we explored the essential strategies for unlocking the secret to eating more while weighing less. We emphasized the importance of incorporating low-calorie, high-volume foods into your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. We discussed the significance of staying hydrated and recognizing thirst cues, as well as the benefits of practicing mindful eating habits. Additionally, planning and preparing meals ahead of time can greatly enhance portion control and convenience. Now it's time to implement these strategies in your daily life for effective weight management. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights.